to dreaming through the night, awake to find an emptiness inside. I look out to the ocean, yeah, I see her in the light. Surrender my emotions to the tide. The corner winds, they blow and tell her I'm alright, but the city life I plan to leave behind. I've got a feeling now that I can't seem to hide, 'cause I've got Molokai on my mind. I hear the sound of summer whisper in my ear, and the ocean brings the taste of supper time. When the day fades away and greets a new sky, shine the light, it's gun smoke on the rise. I know the man who holds the key to afterlife, and he says, son, you better live before you die. I do believe that there is more than meets the eye, 'cause I've got Molokai on my mind. Go on. Should I stay or should I go to find my heart, locked away in long forgotten times? The folks I know, they tell me I am numbered in the stars, and somewhere out there mine begun to shine. There is a place that I go to see the evening sky, where the poet and the dreamer meet each night. You must forgive me, 'cause I'm on my way tonight. I've got Molokai on my mind. You know I've got Molokai on my mind. Say I've got Molokai on my mind.